Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and this week having a lot of issues at the moment. As you can see, over here, the little memorial bit, my cat Razzle passed away on Monday. She was that tortoise looking cat that was in my videos a lot at my old house. She passed away on Monday, so we had to sort that out. Weather's been crap, but now we have 2 days of sun, so I'm in the back garden here. Someone in the back garden bushcraft UK group asked about the Kelly Kettle, and I said I was going to do an update video on that one, and I am now. So this is my Kelly Kettle Trekker stove. So I was going to show you the kettle now and everything that comes with it. So this is the bag it comes in. You can get other bags for this. People do sell them. I'll show you how to pack this away and do it properly in a minute. I just want to show you the tips I have. I've been using this a bit more now, just to make a drink outside and stuff, just for chilling in the garden really. Yeah. Let's put that over there. Alright, so that's the cork, comes with it. There's the pan. I do have the orange stopper as well, rubber one, because I wasn't too confident in the cork. So I don't think you get, this is a full kit. I don't think you get this normally. You have to buy this certain one. I think you only get the stove and the kettle normally, and the hobo stove, the pot and the lid is separate, and a 2-piece grill. But let me show you how this all puts together now. So the kettle holds 20 ounces, and then you have the 16-ounce pot, and then you have a 2-piece grill with the gripper handles here, and then this is a little pot support base which goes on top of here. I'll show you that in a second. So the hobo stove is here. Don't put this in like this and cook like I did on my first video. So start your fire, put that on, and then you feed it this way. And I'll show you that in a minute. Some tips here. I'll just put you back up a bit. When you're using this, don't cook it obviously with the cork in. It has to be out. And also, when you are using this, don't lift the handle up and then pull it off. And the same thing for lifting the handle up and putting it on, because once you put it on, the flames come straight up. What you do is you hold it at a right angle, lift it on and off. I've made that mistake once or twice. Also, as you can see here from my last video, there's tape on the handle here because I lifted this off, put it down, and it was too close to the pan, and the wooden handle caught fire from this. So just be wary with that as well. But yeah, that's that bit. And then you have the 2-piece grill which fits in there, and you put your pot on that, so you can cook on that well. The hobo stove, same as, cook on there, or if you want. So yeah, so that, and then you also have stands there, and that's how it all works. So let me put some water in this, and we'll start it up now. Do that, so don't waste it. Alright, so that's all ready. I just need to do the fire now, and I'll get that. I'm going to try to do a fire every time I do a fire a different way, so it's not too boring. But let me set it up now. Alright, so I'm going to use some cedar, which I've been saving. say some cedar, and then some dryer lint, and we'll see if we have some chalk cloth. So this is all my spares, so I'm just trying to get through it all. It's good. That's too much. There's that bit. So, just gonna fluff this up. Like that. Fluff that up in there as well. Put that in there. And hopefully that'll be enough. Use the mirror. No, I mean magnifying glass. Let's see.
2 hours later.
There we go. Now that should be enough fuel to actually. I probably won't need any more. But like I said, just zoom out a bit. This is the important part here. When you lift it here. Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe a little higher so you can see the flames. Right. So you lift it here and then put on top. Because you can see how fast that went. If you would have done it the other way, you would have burnt your hand easy. So now that's going that way. I prefer to have it a little bit on an angle here so I can actually see what's going on there. And as you can hear, it's working well. The holes are here so I can see and feed if I needed more, but I won't. Then of course the battery dies. So like I said, nothing's been going right for me lately. But let me read the specs while this is boiling. So this is the Kelly Kettle Trekker. It's 20 ounce with a fire base. Cook set, which includes a 16 ounce pot, frying pan, which is the pot lid, a 2-piece grill to place in a fire base for grilling over coals or simply create a base for the pot to sit on. Comes with the gripper handle, pot base support. So all this stuff I showed you already. Right, so drawstring bag. All items are stainless steel and fit neatly in the kettle for transport. The total weight of the kit is 2.15 excluding packaging. The kettle only weighs 1.5 pounds. It's an extremely efficient camping kettle which is suitable for fishing, hunting, scouts, family picnics. I said there's no fuel, so it's free to run because you use dead wood, twigs, grass, pine cones, whatever you can use. So let's just go over the pros and cons real quick. So pros, it does boil water pretty quick and with the least amount of fuel. It is easy to transport and it is easy to use. Like I said, the only two things I would mention is don't cook with a stopper in it and make sure the handles are right angle, not, you know, put your hand over the top of it. Cons, it is a big pitted kit, so it's not for lightweight camping. This is for going to a campsite possibly and using it for that. Or if you work in the van and you want a cup of tea when you're on the road, this is good for that. I've used this a lot and I never had any issues with it. The pots I haven't used often, honestly, but I will do because I'm going to start having the MRE taste tests and stuff like that. But I'm just bringing back all my old kit that's been sitting around. I'm going to start using that kit again because I really don't need any new kit, except for that I got my eye on a couple of knives, but I digress. Yeah, so this is the Kelly Kettle. And that's the neighbor's dogs. There you are, it's boiling. You see it boiling from there. All good. And then if you add extra fuel, just chuck it on top. Like again, like I said, take the handle from the sides, lift it off this way and down. And that's it. Now it'll just die out and you're all done. So if you're still watching, why? Hi guys, if you're still watching, thank you very much. If it could go wrong, it did. I got dogs barking, people chatting, I got my son yelling on the Xbox, I got wet wood, my battery died, my camera card was full, so I don't know. I made it to the end though, so that's what counts. Just quick overview of the Kelly Kettle Trekker, okay? Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video hopefully. Bye.